Greetings, curious minds, and welcome to Vision Ideas. Prepare for a fascinating voyage to the beating heart of Africa, where we'll unveil the majesty of one of the world's natural wonders, Victoria Falls. Known as Mosi-oa-Tunya, or the smoke that thunders in the Lozi language, Victoria Falls is an awe-striking spectacle. Brace yourselves for the sheer power and beauty of this cascading marvel. Revel in the grandeur of the majestic Victoria Falls. Picture a vast curtain of water, stretching over a kilometer wide, tumbling down a 108-meter abyss. The resulting spray forms a perpetual misty cloud that shrouds the falls, casting rainbows that dance in the sunlight. But the allure of Victoria Falls extends beyond its stunning visuals. The waterfall boasts a captivating history, woven into the fabric of time. Millions of years ago, the Zambezi River fell over a sequence of hard rock cliffs. As it did, it eroded the softer rock below, slowly carving out this breathtaking spectacle. In geological terms, Victoria Falls is a youngling, with an estimated age of only around 70,000 years. Size does indeed matter when it comes to Victoria Falls. It holds the title of the world's largest curtain of falling water. At its broadest, it spans over 1,600 meters, presenting a spectacle of immense proportions. The waterfall plunges a staggering 108 meters deep, forming a powerful cascade that thunders into the gorge beneath. The power of Victoria Falls is truly formidable. The Zambezi River channels an incredible volume of water, with a flow rate that fluctuates with the seasons. At peak flow, an estimated 1.2 million liters of water surge over the falls each second. That's enough to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool in under 3 seconds. For those with a taste for thrill, the Knife's Edge Bridge offers an exhilarating perspective. This slender bridge, perched at the brink of the falls on the Zambian side, provides heart-stopping views of the plummeting water. Be ready to embrace the drenching spray. Join us as we explore the falls, beholding magnificent views from both the Zambian and Zimbabwean sides. Victoria Falls offers an unforgettable adventure. It captivates with the raw power of its cascading water, its breathtaking scenery, and its thrilling activities. So, if you're yearning for an unparalleled African escapade, Victoria Falls should top your list. Remember to like and subscribe for more enlightening journeys with Vision Ideas. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever visited Victoria Falls, or has it now found a place on your travel bucket list?